What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, guys, we'll be going over how to keep moisture in your hair through the week. Alright guys, so not only will we be talking about how to maintain moisture in your hair throughout the week, but we'll be doing a good refresher in my hair as well. As you can see, it's been a few days. You probably don't even know if this is a twist out, a wash and go, or what. I don't even know what it is. So we're going to apply some moisture to my hair today, talk to you guys a little bit more about detangling your hair as well and how to go through that process and reapplying moisture. So stay tuned throughout the video because I'll be giving you guys some of my pro tips. Stick with me, you'll get this done quickly, easy, and efficiently. This video is extremely beginner friendly, so if you're watching this and you're a little bit intermediate or advanced, hang tight because I got some tips for you guys too, but this is for my beginners as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start detangling my hair, and here is pro tip number 1. Okay, so pro tip number 1 is you're going to want to work in smaller sections. I have seen so many people on YouTube or just on videos on social media, and they're doing like their children's hair and they're just trying to like comb and rake through it, and you're not working in smaller sections. Once you have natural hair and it's pretty dried out, the follicles are now open, so we're going to reapply some moisture to close the follicles and hopefully to get this looking right. So let's go ahead and part this into smaller sections so we can work. I'm going to go ahead and section mine off into 4 quadrants. Alright guys, so I'm back and my hair is in 4 sections. I have 2 in the front and 2 here in the back. So the first thing that I'm going to do is break down section by section, and we're going to start in the back. Alright guys, so this is the first section that we're going to be working on, and now that you have this big chunk of hair, the first thing that you're going to do is break it down again. I'm just going to grab a nice small chunk to work with, and I'm going to go ahead and put the rest up out the way. And now we'll only be focusing on this section right here. My next tip that I'm going to give you guys is to use proper tools while you're detangling your hair. And what that means is we'll be using combs and brushes today to detangle our natural hair. And you're going to want to use something like this. This is I think the Easy detangling brush. I got this off Amazon, and this is my good old Felicia Leatherwood brush. You can use any one of these brushes to detangle your hair. You're also going to need a comb. I have here a wide tooth comb, and once you use your wide tooth comb, you can even go in with a smaller comb, which I'm going to do. Now guys, something that you might want to stay away from is smaller combs. Something like this, a rat tail comb, it just wouldn't work for detangling your natural hair. The bristles are way too small and it'll cause more damage than good. It will break off your hair if you do try to use it, especially on dry hair. So let's go ahead and figure out what tools we're going to use to detangle our hair. Alright, so the 3 tools that I'll be using is my Felicia Leatherwood brush, also my big detangling comb, and then once my hair is all tangle free, I'll go in with a smaller tooth comb. These are the 3 tools that we'll be using today. Oh, and last but not least, I almost forgot the most important tool of them all. Can you guys think what it is? I'll give you about a good 3 seconds to tell me what tool you should be using to detangle your hair. If you guys guess your fingers, you are correct. Your fingers are the best tool to detangle your hair because your fingers will feel the knots before anything. You're able to use your fingers to get all those knots out, and it'll be an easier process than using any one of these man-made tools. Use what God gave you. Alright guys, so before we get started, we need to talk about something very important, and that is moisture. Can we say it together? Moisture. You need moisture in your natural hair. Yes, you do. My hair is a little dry. As you can see, it's a little frizzy, so we're going to be applying some moisture to the hair. Now, you can use water, or you could be like me and use aloe vera juice. Now guys, I got this aloe vera from my local Trader Joe's, and surprisingly it's like almost gone. I've had it for quite a long time, and all I do is take my spray bottle, I take the cap off, and I fill this up with aloe vera juice, and it'll help me detangle my hair just like this. All right, now that we got that everywhere, and we're ready to go. Now this is what I'll be using to apply some moisture to my hair, but we need a few other things as well. You are going to want some type of detangling spray or some type of cream, souffle, anything that's going to bring the hair some moisture. So I am using the good old Melanin Hair Care. This is the Twist Elongating Styling Cream, and I'm using this product because I know it works well on my hair. If I'm just refreshing my hair or actually going in with a twisting style, I can use this and it gives my hair so much moisture. Have you guys seen the Melanin Hair Care products? I mean, who hasn't? Okay, so now that we have our moisture ready, we have our styling tools ready, I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply some moisture to my hair. I soak my hair in aloe vera. I really do. And then the next thing I do is I just take my hands again and go ahead and smooth down the hair. This is going to get the aloe vera into the actual hair strands. If you just spray it and don't do anything, it's just going to lay on top of the hair. But squeezing your hair and pressing it down is going to help the aloe vera penetrate the curl. So make sure it's all in there. All right, so the next thing, and this is a brand new jar, guys. My Melanin Twisting Cream. It smells good. It smells like shea butter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of that, and we'll be putting this on next. And this is all gonna help us detangle our hair and also have moisture throughout the week. Now I believe I did a twist out. It was probably about 3 or 4 days ago. So this is just a great way to bring moisture back into your hair, but you are going to want to do this every 3 to 4 days, in my opinion. You may need to do it sooner, applying moisture to the hair, or you may need to not do it so often. It depends on your hair. So now I'm going to go in just with my fingers and try to just make sure it's detangled. Feel if there's any big knots in there, and if there are, I'm just working it to where I don't have to tug at it too hard. And I'm gonna reapply some more aloe vera. I'm actually gonna use first my wide tooth comb. The wide tooth comb, it's probably the best tool to detangle your hair. The teeth are so spread apart that it's not going to really pull your hair, and you can see how I'm going slow. I'm not starting at the top, I start at the bottom towards the end, and then I'm just working my way up. And if I feel a knot, I'm just working through it very gently. So the last thing we're gonna do before we move on to the next section is lock in all this moisture, and that's my next pro tip. Is you're gonna want to use a sealant oil, and that's just an oil that seals the hair. And I have mine right here. This is my organic toasted sunflower oil. Guys, I spoke about this in my last video. I'll actually link it up here if you want to check it out. This is when I did the curl days video, and I actually used this for the first time, and I loved it. So if you guys want to see my first reaction using the sunflower oil, go ahead and click the video up top. All right guys, and this is the last section in the back. See how quickly we're moving? All right, again, what are we doing first? Aloe vera juice. Spray that bad boy down. I put so much aloe vera spray on my hair because this is the part that is the most important, is the spray. Kind of want your hair to be damp. I use a lot, and then I work it in too, using the prayer hands or just by dragging it down. And when I use the prayer hands, I apply a little bit of pressure, and don't be afraid to squeeze it in there as well. Now that I know it's all in there, go ahead and take that good old Melanin Elongating Cream. This stuff is awesome. Super, super thick. Absolutely love it. Guys, I really want to put some gel in my hair to make my curls pop, but I kind of don't want to. I don't know. All right, so now go ahead and detangle. All right guys, so this is the back section. I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on for you guys to turn up a little bit as you watch me do me. All right, let's go ahead and detangle the other sections. Y'all, all right, so I fold it. I've been using this is the TGIN Honey Curls Custard, and I was just doing my hair and I was like, yo, I really want some more definition. I'm a definition girl, so I've been using this on top of everything else. And yeah, so I just gotta keep it honest with y'all. So we gonna get these curls popping. All right, oh shit, I just dropped it. I'm really, really loving how it's turning out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take down the next section. All right, y'all, so we had a little bit of turning of events with that curling gel, but I just feel so much better knowing that my hair is properly moisturized with a cream, a gel, and an oil. I think I'm all set to go. But y'all, if you are liking this video and what you're seeing so far, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share. I hope I'm giving you guys some good pro tips along the way, but this is a great idea if you are trying to moisturize your hair throughout the week. Make sure you're using some type of cream or a gel, a leave-in, something that's gonna bring a little bit more moisture to your hair. I am gonna let my hair air dry. We're gonna just let it do its thing naturally, and then I guess I'll be back to show you guys the final results, and I'll see y'all later. What's up, guys? I am back like I never left. My hair is finally dry, and I just wanted to come on here so I can show you guys the final results of how to refresh your hair for the week. So guys, if you recall, we did go in with the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream. This gave me so much moisture. I also used the aloe vera juice to refreshen and re-moisturize my hair, which also helped a lot. Aloe vera is definitely linked to hair growth, so definitely try to use aloe vera weekly in your routine and your regimen. We also went in with the TGIN Honey Curls Custard because I just wanted my curls to pop, y'all, and this really did help with the definition. And then last but not least, we did seal it in with the sunflower organic toasted sunflower oil, which is right here. So with these useful products, I was able to combine and come up with this fabulous hairstyle. Now it will be refreshed for about, I would say, 3 to 4 days before you got to go in again and just give it some moisture. So I hope that you guys learned something about refreshing your hair. Also, how to detangle your hair. We went over some pro tips in this video as well. So I hope you guys caught all of those. Guys, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go because you just seen the final results. So my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.